Less than tittle greater than VANAUSDT. Is a major rebound possible after oversold conditions? Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart. Moving averages. Volume analysis. The VANAUSDT price currently sits at $21.066, positioning itself far below significant moving averages. The 20-day and 50-day moving averages are notably higher, reflecting a bearish trend. Specifically, the 20-day moving average hovers around $25, while the 50-day average is approximately $27. This disparity underscores the persistent downward pressure. Trading volume surged to 732,462.85 during the recent drop, marking a 15% increase compared to the previous sessions. This spike indicates a possible panic sell-off or profit-taking phase. If volume begins to stabilize alongside prices near $21, the market could be gearing up for a potential reversal. Investors should closely monitor whether further declines will drive a higher buying response, as historical data shows rebounds often occur after volume spikes align with oversold conditions. Relative Strength Index, RSI, analysis. The RSI for VANAUSDT currently reads 30.78, signaling oversold territory. Historically, when RSI has dipped below 30, such as during mid-September when prices hit $21.50, a short-term recovery often followed. However, the RSI's recent inability to climb above 35 since early October suggests persistent selling pressure. Investors should watch for an RSI uptick above 35, which would indicate a shift in momentum and potential price stabilization. If RSI remains stagnant below 30, VANAUSDT could extend its bearish slide toward $20 or lower. Stochastic Oscillator analysis. The stochastic oscillator currently shows 1.23, firmly in oversold territory, the lowest level in recent weeks. This extreme value reflects a possible exhaustion of selling momentum. Similar stochastic values in early August led to a quick 10% rebound from $22 to $24. Given this historical pattern, a price recovery to around $25 could occur if buyers begin accumulating VANAUSDT at these levels. However, failure to recover from these low stochastic values might signal further downside, particularly if prices breach the $21 support level. MACD and signal line analysis. The MACD value stands at -1.336, significantly below the signal line at -0.306. Indicating a strong bearish trend. The widening gap between the MACD and signal line suggests accelerating downward momentum. Notably, the MACD histogram remains negative, confirming bearish sentiment. In previous instances where MACD exhibited similar behavior, such as early September, a price decline of up to 8% occurred before recovery attempts were observed. Investors should monitor for any convergence of the MACD and signal line, which could signal weakening bearish momentum and an eventual trend reversal. Bollinger Bands analysis. VANAUSDT is currently trading near the lower Bollinger Band at $18.40, with the upper band at $36.39. This significant divergence highlights high volatility and strong downward pressure. Prices consistently testing the lower band without any upward bounce suggest sellers maintain control. Historically, when VANAUSDT has breached the lower Bollinger Band, such as in June, prices rebounded by 15% over the next 3 days. Should the current level hold, a move toward the middle band at approximately $27 could be the next target. Fibonacci retracement analysis. The VANAUSDT price of $21.066 is precisely at the 100% retracement level, marking a significant support point. The next key retracement level is 23.6% at $31.25, which could serve as a recovery target. Historically, VANAUSDT has shown sharp rebounds from the 100% retracement, particularly in late July when prices surged from $21 to $28. If prices fail to hold this critical support, the next downside target lies below $20, risking further bearish momentum. Investors should look for upward moves toward the 50% retracement level at $27.73 as an early sign of recovery. Daily candlestick chart and volume. 1-year analysis. Over the past year, VANAUSDT has experienced significant price swings, with a major high of $34.40 occurring in March and a low of $21.066 recently. Average trading volumes have fluctuated between 500K and 800K, with notable spikes during price reversals. The most recent volume increase coincides with the current decline, suggesting capitulation may be occurring. Investors should note that historical lows, such as in February, were followed by strong rebounds of over 20% within weeks. If this trend repeats, VANAUSDT could aim for recovery targets between $25 and $28. Candlestick chart and volume. 3-year analysis. From a long-term perspective, VANAUSDT shows key support near $21 and significant resistance at $34.40. The past 3 years have seen trading volumes peak during major sell-offs, aligning with subsequent price recoveries. Volume patterns indicate that prolonged periods of low volume typically precede sharp moves, as witnessed during the early year rally. The $21 level, tested multiple times, remains a critical threshold. A break below this support could extend losses toward $18, while sustained buying activity at current levels may propel VANAUSDT back toward the $30 range. Less than comprehensive analysis. Greater than VANAUSDT's current price of $21.066 sits at a critical support point, aligning with the 100% Fibonacci retracement level and the lower Bollinger Band. The RSI at 30.78 and stochastic oscillator at 1.23 indicate oversold conditions, suggesting that downward momentum may be exhausting. However, the MACD remains bearish, with the line diverging further from the signal line, confirming strong selling pressure. Short-term recovery prospects hinge on whether buyers can defend the $21 level. Historically, similar conditions led to sharp rebounds, with price targets of $25, middle Bollinger Band, and $27.73, 50% Fibonacci retracement. If VANAUSDT fails to hold current support, the next major downside target lies below $20, potentially testing long-term support at $18. Investors should monitor volume for confirmation of a reversal, as increased buying near these levels could indicate a shift in market sentiment.